السلام عليكم. Welcome to جيل الإبداع American School. Hi guys. Today we start our first video for grade 5. Topic 11, lesson 1. I hope you make great usefulness from this content. Let's go. Our lesson today is about customer units of length and how to convert units. Before we start our explanation, watch this video and concentrate to understand the main idea of our lesson. Let's go.
Lesson is multiplication and division are used to convert among different units of length. Previously, students learned the relative size of customary units of length and used multiplication to convert a larger unit to a smaller unit. They also used bar diagrams to model multiplication and division. In this lesson, students use multiplication to convert customary units of length from larger units to smaller units, and division to convert customary units of length from smaller units to larger units.
Now you understand? The video said how to convert from larger units to smaller units and from smaller to larger one. When we convert from larger to smaller, we must multiply. And when we convert from smaller to larger, we must divide. Now, look.
This problem is key because students are asked to use bar diagrams to convert 1 yard to inches. It also gives teachers an opportunity to observe what students recall about some customary units of length. Listen and look for students who draw a bar diagram to show that 1 yard is the same length as 3 feet, and that each foot is the same length as 12 inches.
Now, 1 yard. How many feet in 1 yard? There are 3 feet. And how many inches in 1 yard? 1 yard equal 12 inches plus 12 plus 12. It means what?
Then some of these students may use their diagrams to write addition equations and find that 1 yard of wire is 36 inches long. Assure students that the strategy they used is appropriate. Then point out that they will encounter much larger measurements that they will need to change to another unit. Ask them what other operation they could use to help them solve such problems efficiently. Students should see that they could use multiplication in place of repeated addition. Listen and look for other students who do use multiplication to find that the wire is 36 inches long. These students are developing an understanding that multiplication can be used to convert among different units of length. This will help them throughout the remainder of this lesson as they use both multiplication and division to convert among customary units of length.
Now, we watch another video to applicate about this idea. Now, look and listen.
How do you change from one unit of length to another? Think about this question during the lesson. Some frogs can jump 11 feet. What are some other ways to describe this distance? Let's work on this together. How do inches and yards compare to feet? Think about this question as you do the activity that comes next.
So what is the relation between feet and inches? Also feet and yards. Remember that 1 feet equal 12 inches and 1 yard equal 3 feet. So to convert from feet to inches, so we convert from greater unit to smaller unit. So we must what? We must multiply.
Which is greater, 12 inches or 1 yard? 1 yard is greater than 12 inches. The yard is a larger unit of measure than the inch. To change larger units to smaller units, multiply. To convert 11 feet to inches, think 1 foot equals 12 inches, and then find 11 times 12. What is the product? There are 132 inches in 11 feet. Why did you multiply to find inches? You multiply to find inches because you are converting from larger units to smaller units. To change smaller units to larger units, divide. To convert 11 feet to yards, think 3 feet equals 1 yard, and then determine 11 divided by 3. What is the quotient? 11 divided by 3 equals 3 with remainder 2. What does the remainder represent? The remainder represents the number of feet that are left over. 11 feet equals 3 yards and 2 feet. You now know how to convert customary units of length, such as the inch, foot, and yard. How many yards are there in 23 feet? Try it yourself.
Now we understand the main idea of our lesson. Now we will solve Ask yourself, which is greater, feet or yard? Yes, 1 yard equals 3 feet, so yard is greater than feet. So we want to convert it from smaller to greater, we must divide it. Now we divided 9 by 3 equal 3 feet. Question number 5. 8 feet and 7 inches equal how many inches? Now we have two parts, 7 feet and 7 inches, 8 feet and 7 inches. We want to convert these two parts into inches. So 7 inches still the same, and now we convert 8 feet. So what's the relation between feet and inches? Yes, 1 feet equal 12 inches. Now we convert it from greater to smaller. So 8 multiplied by 12. 8 multiplied by 12 equals 12 multiplied by 8. 8 times 2 equals 16, 6 and up 1. 8 times 1 equals 8 plus 1 equal 9, so equal 96. Now 8 feet and 7 inches equal 96 plus 7 equal 103. Question number 6. 5.5 feet equal how many inches? So we will convert feet to inches, we multiply by 12. So we have two parts also, 5.5. 5 multiplied by 12 and half multiplied by 12. Half times 12 equals, yes, 60. And half times 12 when we want to divide 12 into two parts equals 6. So 60 divided 6 equal 66. Now we move to the problem number 9. Number 9, we have a table. Okay, feet and inches. And the question is complete the table to show equivalent measurement: 1 feet, 2 feet, 36 inches, and 4 feet. Now, to convert from feet to inches, is converted from greater to smaller. We multiply. And from smaller to greater, we what? Divided, yes. 1 to convert to inches, multiply 12 equals 12. 2 times 12 equals 24. And now we want to convert the inch to feet, so we divide it by 12 equal 3, and the 4 times 12 equals 48. The last one, question number 14. 56 feet equal how many yards? and how many feet. So 1 yard equals 3 feet. So to convert it from feet to yard, we must divide it by 3. Now we have 56 divided by 3. 5 divided by 3. How many 3 in 5? 1. 1 times 3 equals 3. Then subtract. 5 times minus 3 equals 2. Now drop 6. So 26. 26 divided by 3. How many 3 in 26? Maybe 9? Check. 9 times 3 equal, yes, 27. So it can't be because 27 is greater than 26. So we write 8. 8 times 3 equals 24. Subtract equals 2. So the answer is 18 yards and the remainder equals 2 feet. Okay, now open the website of Pearson. Yes, lesson 11, topic 11, lesson 1, and open practice button. Okay. Okay, now start the first question. As complete the table to show equivalent measures, feet and inches. We solve a problem like this in practical part. So how many inches in 1 feet? 12. So to convert feet to inches, we multiply by 12. 5 times 12 equal, we write the answer right here. We write 60. Yes. And the next one, 6 by 12. So we add 12, it will be 72. And divided 84 by 12 to convert it from smaller to greater. So the answer, it will be 7. And 8 times 12 equal 96. After you solve this problem, check your answer. Yes, well done. Now you can transfer to the next questions. Okay, and we start solving questions and so on, and at last you can evaluate your understanding. Okay, so to check your answer during solving homework, you can check your answer when you're solving homework, page 643, and solve only the problems include units, feet, yard, and inches. Okay, goodbye.